Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about few more verbs, continuation of the previous video, and pronouns and how to make a sentences, few simple Kannada sentences using verbs and pronouns. Okay, that's what we are going to learn. Now in this few more verbs, see, no, do. Here I am using capital D to understand. Bend your tongue and touch the top to spell the word. Okay. So no, do. You have to do. You have to spell bend and touch. Call, kare, jump, haru, send, kaluhisu. So L, capital L means L. Kaluhisu. Run, odu. So please keep in mind, when there are capital letters used, please bend your tongue and touch the top. Here, ಕೇಳು, tie, ಕಟ್ಟು, cut, ಕಡಿ, read, ಓದು. Here, small d, that is do. Okay, not ಓಡು, it's ಓದು. Okay, so your tongue is touching to the front. So this is a few things you need to keep in mind when you are learning Kannada words. That's why I am making again and again, pressing that bend your tongue and touch to the top to spell that word. Open, tere, sit, ಕೂಡು, again capital D. Wear, ಧರಿಸು. Here DH is for capital ಧ, ಧರಿಸು. Walk, ನಡೆ, ಡೆ, ನಡೆ, again bend your tongue and touch to the top. Next pronouns. I, ನಾನು, first person. You, second person. ನೀನು, ನೀವು. ನೀವು is with respect, ನೀನು ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಟಾಕ್. ಹಿ, ಅವನು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಶಿ, ಅವಳು. ಅವನು ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬಾಯ್, ಅವಳು ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗರ್ಲ್. ದಿಸ್, ಇದು. ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಅದು. ಇದು ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಶೋ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ. ಅದು, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವೇ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ which we are using. If any more pronouns are there, I am going to explain in coming videos. So these are the basic pronouns which we use in a Kannada day-to-day life. Nanu, and in this now also will be there for plural. Nanu, navu, and neenu, neevu. Then when we talk to meet someone, how are you? So ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? How are you? ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? So why I am pressing double D? Because there is a the word. So we are putting ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ there. ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? So this generally when we meet someone, we use this one. So ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? So answer is I am fine. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು is a pronoun which we are using. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. I am fine. So this is again a general talk which we use when we meet someone. And again we say, please come home. So when we meet some friends, we say, please come home. Here I am using one verb, that is bunny. As I already taught in the previous videos, bunny is a verb, come. So ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. So please come home. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು is please. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. So generally these are the few sentences which we use when we meet friends. So that's what I am making in this video. And one more thing is to tell any mate or any person at home who is working for you, you tell him, please you do the work properly. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ. So you are telling them do the work properly. So how you spell in Kannada? ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ. So you are explaining them, please do the work properly. So generally this can be used when some you want to instruct your mate or somebody at home. Okay, so these are the few things I explained, and next video we will do some more things. Thank you for watching.